Hi friends, here's a fun dinosaur packet for you to work on at home. This is an I Spy, and then there's boxes down here. So you're gonna write how many of the dinosaurs you see up here. For example, this red one with the blue spines. So you're gonna look for them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're gonna write the number, or you can have somebody write it for you. Number 5 in there. Do that for all the dinosaurs. Then here, these are a bunch of dinosaurs, a dinosaur egg, and a volcano. So for this, you're gonna cut these out and they're gonna be a puzzle. Or you can hide one piece somewhere and try to find it and make a match. Then here's some uppercase letters and some lowercase letters. So for example, a Q and a Q. And you're gonna make a match from here. Here's the Q and the Q. So you're gonna cut these out and place it on top of here. And this is a fun game that you can continuously play, unless you glue them on, but you don't have to do that. Then, here's another letter match game. For example, here's letter K, which is the uppercase, and letter K here, which is the lowercase. And you're gonna make a match for the uppercase and then the lowercase letters. And here, there's a bunch of dinosaurs. Do you know what kind of dinosaurs these are? You're gonna count how many are there. For example, 1, 2, 3. You're gonna go down here and find number 3, and you're gonna put it here under the box. And here's some silly dinosaurs with all the alphabet letters, A through Z. And then you have dinosaur eggs that you can have somebody help you cut out, and you're gonna place it on top of the other dinosaurs. For example, you're gonna have letter A, they can go on letter A dinosaur. This is a fun game you can play over and over again. And here's a fun little dinosaur that you can either practice cutting. So you're gonna cut, you're gonna put your scissors on, your fingers, and you're gonna cut all the way down. To put your scissors on, you're gonna have the small hole for your thumb and the rest of the fingers below. And you're gonna open, close, and when you cut, you're gonna cut straight up in the air, so your thumb is pointed to the ceiling and the fingers are pointed to the floor. You're gonna cut. Or if you choose not to cut this, you can just draw lines and practice drawing in case you don't wanna go over the dinosaur. Then here, you're gonna take your pencil and trace over the dinosaur. And you can color this if you'd like. You can also trace over this fun border that's on here. Here's another dinosaur, but we notice that his plates on his back are letter D for dinosaur instead of just plates. And here's a fun scene that have dinosaurs and sand and a volcano, but you can also trace on these. This helps you practice your tracing. And this one is a dinosaur match. You're gonna find a dinosaur and make a match. Would this one match this one? No, that doesn't work. They're not the same. So you're gonna take this one to this one because they are the same. Have lots of fun with this, friends. Enjoy. Talk to you later. Bye.